Hi everyone, Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. I'm starting again. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or approximately 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I put some black on it and some gold, and then what I was going to do didn't pan out at all, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting some white on, and I thought I might give it a bit of a swipe with the spatula. There's silicone in the gold, but that's all. Get the last out of the jug, eh? Let's not waste it. And I have more gold there, but I think there's plenty of gold on here. I'm just using up what I've got. I do have more there, as I said. And some black. There's black underneath as well, so. Alright, let's swipe away here, see what we can get. I think that's uninteresting as well. Alright, so I'll put some more gold here where I've just done that. And I think I'll swipe it with a cloth. We'll see how it goes. There, Kathleen. I'll stop barking, silly dogs. And over here I need some too. Alright. Oh. Ooh. Looking all right. So I'm going to bring it around this way and give him a tilt just to get the rubbish off there. Stop it! Come on, get off. You'd stay, you're welcome. Right. How cool is that? Now the fun can begin. Gold doesn't really want to stick to the canvas this time for some reason, I don't know. I just wipe my fingers. Alright. So what do I have here? Let me just give it a little torch to see what we have, and then I'll work out something from there. But I rather like it. The air bubbles I saw anyway. Oh, some itty bitty cells. Okay, now I'm going to get that out of there, and I'm going to have another cup. Put a bit of black. Stop it. Some gold. Some black. Some white. Right, I'm back. I had visitors. This has been sitting now Okay, thank you. Visitors are just leaving. Lock the front door for me. Save me walking downstairs. You don't have to be lazy, but it helps. Okay, so what I was saying is this has been sitting here for about 15 or 20 minutes and I'm quite happy with it, and the cells are coming up nice, and I've just made a little dirty cup, not a very big one, and I might just go through the centre like that. I might put some black on the top too, I think. Right. And I want to make a bit of a starburst here. I don't want all black, come on, that's it. Right, as you can see, I'm just going to use the same spatula. It's only got the same colours on it. I might have to should have probably put the colours on one by one. So I want some gold. No, I've lost it. That's not working for me. Where's my white? I'm going to swipe this again. That's a pest. Oh, I might as well use up what was in this dirty cup. And some black. And then some gold on the top, I think. Whoops, oh well. Right. Now I'm going to use the same cloth. Bring back my swipe. There we go. Yes. Get some of that paint off. It's working nicely now. I'm going to let most of that run off. Bringing it down, down, down. With a trusty knife. Just do squiggles. Nothing wrong with squiggles. Squiggles and daubs. And I'm going to do the same with the black. I wonder if I should put some white on too, why not? This is looking good. Look at that. Right, the daubs are black. Now I've only got a little bit of white, so it might be just enough. yes. Looking good. Alright, maybe a bit more gold. Just sort of in this area-ish. That's enough. A little bit here. Right. Now, wiping off the hands, and then I'm going to torch it. Torture it. See what we get. Find my lighter. I just had it. Just a minute. I'm sure they get up and walk away. Okay, stop looking, I found it. Okay, looking good. Cells are popping up. Recipes for the paint and pouring medium, I don't know if I told you, below show more under this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And that's about all I can tell you, I think. She's looking for some gold to go like that. Right. That's good. And over here. Right, I'm not going to fiddle. No more fiddling. I'm going to bring you down to have a look. Quite interesting. So that's what I've been looking at, and bring you in to show you. As soon as it focuses, in the focus, there we go. I think it's really pretty. I like all the sprinkles. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give this the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.